Today our topic is working principle of DC motor. Now the principle upon which a DC motor works says that a current carrying conductor when a current carrying conductor is placed in any magnetic field, then a mechanical force is experienced by the conductor, and the direction of force is given by the Fleming's left hand rule, which is also called motor rule, and hence the conductor moves in the direction of force. Now the magnitude of the force is equals to B IC LC, where B is the field strength, IC is the current flowing through the conductor, and LC is the length of the conductor in meters. Now, as I have already told you that in case of DC generator, the load is connected between positive terminal and negative terminal. Now we are talking about DC motor. So in DC motor we provide electrical energy to the motor. So in between positive and negative terminal we connect the supply source, which is the DC source. Now when the motor is connected to the DC supply mains, a direct current passes through the commutator and brushes. First through the brush and then through the commutator, and then to the armature winding. Now while it passes through the commutator, it is converted into AC. Means commutator converts DC into AC. In generator case, the commutator converts AC into DC. In motor case, it converts DC into AC. So that the group of conductors under successive field poles carry currents in the opposite direction. Now this is the construction of a motor, 4-pole DC motor. Now here we have taken 4 poles. Now these are the armature conductors and these are the field conductors. So the conductors under successive field poles carry currents in the opposite directions. Also the direction of current in the individual conductors reverses as they passes from the influence of one of the pole to that of the next. Means as it moves, the current in the individual conductors, the direction of current in the individual conductors reverses as they passes from the influence of the one pole to that of the next. Means when this conductor moves and comes under influence of north pole, then here it is shown cross. Then when it is under the influence of north pole, then it will become dot. Now here what dot and what cross means? Dot means current coming outward and cross means current going inward. Like coming out of the paper, and cross means coming into the paper. Now when a conductor is placed in a magnetic field, then it experiences a mechanical force which is given by Fleming's left hand rule. So this is your left hand. The thumb indicates the force. The forefinger indicates the field, and the middle finger indicates the direction of current. So current direction outward from the paper, magnetic field leaves the north pole. So this side is the magnetic field, and this is the force, mechanical force acting on the conductor. Similarly, for south pole, in south the magnetic field enters, current coming inward, and this is the direction of mechanical force. Now for north pole, again नॉर्थ पोल से मैग्नेटिक लाइंस निकलती हैं, करंट कमिंग आउटवर्ड, एंड दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स. देन अगेन फॉर साउथ पोल, मैग्नेटिक लाइंस ऑफ फोर्सेस टू द साउथ में एंटर करेंगे, करंट इनवर्ड, सो मैकेनिकल फोर्स विल बी इन दिस डायरेक्शन. So overall, a resultant torque will act on the conductors and the armature starts rotating. Means electrical energy has been converted to the mechanical energy in case of DC motor. So this is the basic principle of DC motor, and we have taken 4-pole DC motor.